ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां हृद्देशेऽर्जुन तिष्ठति भ्रामयन् सर्वभूतानि यन्त्रारूढानि मायया. Krishna reveals his presence as the supreme controller within all beings. This verse describes how the Lord resides within every soul, orchestrating the universe through Maya. The comparison to a machine symbolizes how beings act according to their karmic impressions under divine oversight. Krishna emphasizes that surrendering to the Lord, the inner guide, is the path to transcending the influence of illusion and achieving liberation. तमेव शरणं गच्छ सर्वभावेन भारत तत्प्रसादात् परां शान्तिं स्थानं प्राप्स्यसि शाश्वतम्. Krishna advises Arjuna to fully surrender to the divine. This verse emphasizes the transformative power of complete surrender to the Supreme Lord. By dedicating oneself wholeheartedly, one receives divine grace, which leads to liberation, eternal peace, and spiritual fulfillment. Krishna assures Arjuna that trust and devotion to the divine are the ultimate solution to life's challenges and the key to attaining the highest spiritual goal. इति ते ज्ञानमाख्यातं गुह्याद् गुह्यतरं मया विमृश्येत्तदशेषेण यथेच्छसि तथा कुरु. Krishna concludes his teachings and grants Arjuna the freedom to decide. Krishna empowers Arjuna by presenting divine wisdom and leaving the choice in his hands. This verse highlights the importance of personal responsibility and introspection in making decisions. While Krishna provides guidance, he respects Arjuna's free will, showing that spiritual growth requires understanding, self-reflection, and a conscious choice to act rightly. सर्वगुह्यतमं भूयः शृणु मे परमो वचः इष्टोऽसि मे दृढमिति ततो वक्ष्यामि ते हितम्. Krishna prepares to share his ultimate teaching with Arjuna. This verse reflects Krishna's deep affection and care for Arjuna. He underscores that the wisdom he is about to share is not just profound but also tailored for Arjuna's well-being. This personal connection emphasizes that spiritual teachings are most impactful when shared with love and a genuine desire to help. Krishna's compassion becomes the cornerstone of this final and most vital instruction. मन्मना भव मद्भक्तो मद्याजी मां नमस्कुरु मामे वैश्यसि सत्यन्ते प्रतिजाने प्रियोऽसि मे. Krishna gives Arjuna the essence of devotion. Krishna assures Arjuna that wholehearted devotion, love, and surrender to him lead directly to liberation. This verse highlights the simplicity and accessibility of the path of bhakti. By aligning thoughts, actions, and feelings with the divine, one achieves union with God. Krishna's promise is filled with compassion and serves as a reassurance of divine love and grace for all sincere seekers. सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः. Krishna presents the final and most profound teaching to Arjuna. This verse encapsulates the essence of the Gita's teachings. Krishna emphasizes surrendering completely to the divine, transcending all worldly duties, beliefs, and attachments. By placing full faith in God, one attains liberation and freedom from all karmic bonds. The assurance, "Do not grieve," reflects Krishna's unconditional love and the promise of ultimate protection and peace for those who surrender with trust and devotion. इदन्ते न तपस्काय न भक्ताय कदाचन न चाशुश्रूषवे वाच्यन् न च मायोऽभ्यसूयति. Krishna clarifies who is capable of understanding and accepting his teachings. Krishna makes it clear that his teachings are for sincere devotees who have the humility and discipline to learn and who approach them with devotion, respect, and an open heart. Those who lack faith do not make the effort to listen with devotion or harbor doubts or envy cannot fully grasp the significance. य इमं परमं गुह्यं मद्भक्तेष्वभिधास्यति भक्तिं वै परां कृत्वा मामे वैश्यत्य संशयः. Krishna emphasizes the sacredness of sharing his teachings with true devotion. In this verse, Krishna reveals the immense value of sharing his teachings with sincere devotees. He promises that anyone who teaches the Gita's wisdom to his true followers while cultivating supreme devotion will themselves attain his presence without a doubt. This verse highlights the sacredness of transmitting spiritual wisdom with love and devotion, ensuring that those who do so help others grow spiritually and come closer to the divine. न च तस्मान् मनुष्येषु कश्चिन्मे प्रियकृत्तमः भविता न च मे तस्मात् अन्यः प्रियतरो भुवि. Krishna declares the highest honor and love for his true devotees. Krishna is affirming that a true devotee who fully surrenders and serves with love and devotion holds a unique and unparalleled position in his heart. Such a devotee is the most beloved of all, surpassing even the greatest of saints, scholars, or other revered individuals. This verse highlights the boundless love and divine favor that Krishna showers upon his devoted followers, indicating the supreme importance of complete surrender and devotion to him. अध्येष्यते च यैमन् धर्म्यं संवादमावयोः ज्ञानयज्ञेन तेनाहम् इष्टस्यामिति मे मतिः. In this verse, Krishna speaks about the transformative power of sharing the sacred teachings. Krishna expresses that anyone who recites or shares the divine dialogue of the Gita is performing a supreme act of devotion. Such an act is considered a knowledge yajna, and Krishna promises that the person who shares these teachings will be most dear to him and will surely reach him. This verse emphasizes the immense spiritual merit in both learning and sharing the teachings of the Bhagavad Gita with others.